With Pricing Penguin, you can get an instant price for any job, a new patio, a new roof, a new kitchen. No matter what job or what style, Percy has got you covered. Percy will talk you through the job and ask relevant questions to tailor your quote. You can also design your project, give it an image and tell it what you want, and it will design, measure and price it for you. No matter what style you're after, and no matter what size the job is, Percy will understand. And for absolutely any trade in the industry, it will then recommend local tradespeople to do the job, where you can send them a message directly through the platform or any other way. We also have the home tracking system, where it will learn more about your home and help tailor jobs to it. And you can then be told when you need things maintained or serviced, for example. Have a look at the valuation index that tells you how much certain jobs might add to the value of your home. Or have a look at our general pricing guide that give you an idea on what jobs might cost. All completely free at pricingpenguin.co.uk.